What's going on, everybody? Jordan here, back with another video, and a lot has happened since the last time I filmed a video. It's only been about 6 days, 7 days since I picked up the camera and did a video for the channel, but we have done a lot since that video came out. Canola harvest is finished. I believe the last video we were working on canola, it's done. And also wheat is done. We had a little bit of late wheat that we had to do after the canola, but just a day or so, and that was finished up as well. We finished up that stuff on, I believe it was Thursday. The combining is pretty much on hold for right now, up until we get to soybeans and sunflowers. A couple things have happened this harvest as far as equipment is concerned. The 9760 needed some repairs because of that piece of metal that was in the tailings auger. Not good. We had to have that welded in town. And the 8870 seemed to be leaking oil again, but we've disked 3-4 hours now and nothing has happened. So I think the 8870 is good to go. And also had a flat tire on the 8870, so some things have gone on. They're all repaired and I think we're caught up. Today's gonna be odd job related around the farm. We're gonna be maybe doing some concaves on the combine, getting ready for soybeans in a few weeks. But otherwise, got a little bit of wheat to unload, some scrap metal to move, and things like that around the farmyard this morning, and maybe watch some football this afternoon. So nothing too crazy or stressful today, just working. And take you guys with me. Let's get started. So this is project number one. Just put a little bit of primer on some bare metal spots on this panel. This is for the 8870. Paint up some spots, cover that sticker and all that. And then we're gonna go load some scrap metal as well and take it down to the scrap metal pile that we haul in as a load once in a while. We're gonna move these pieces in and also some other stuff. Get some harrow sections as well. So this is the last of the wheat. We didn't even use this truck on Thursday when we finished the wheat, but we forgot that we had a whole truckload of wheat sitting in the shed from another day that we didn't get unloaded. So this one has to be unloaded. We had to set up the auger to the bin again, and gonna unload this one to finish off wheat for the year and get everything loaded up into this bin. Then it's soybeans, and we can kind of move on to changing the concaves and that kind of thing, getting ready for soybeans. We did disc a good amount with the 8870. It's hooked up over there, and then we're gonna hook up the 8770 to the harrow today and get that ready to harrow some more fields. All right, everybody, it's the next day, and today's the day we're gonna do the combine concave, so I'll continue the video here. We're gonna get the combines ready for soybean harvest because we're still a couple weeks out from that, but there's a little bit of work to do prepping those combines for the bigger grains like the sunflowers and the soybeans, and then the headers as well. So we're gonna do a little bit of stuff on the combines right now on the farm, continue prepping for harvest, but the other day we got a lot of good stuff done, odd jobs around the farm and things like that. So hopefully you're enjoying the video. If you are, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Let's head to the farm in the side-by-side and we'll get started.
One of those bolts in.
Everybody, and that'll do it for another video today. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and we got the concaves done. Fairly simple, I guess. The other chorin that we did the other day. So successful day and a successful video. Kind of waiting right now on soybeans and sunflowers even later on. So just kind of finishing some stuff up while the weather is still decent and staying ready for harvesting, I guess. More to come. Subscribe if you're not already. Talk to you later.